the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Stylo 4 for Critical Wireless. So the Stylo 4 is now available as of today, June 29th. It's available for $229.99, guys. So yeah, and you guys will like the Cricket version of the Stylo 4 better than the Metro PCS version. And I'll tell you guys that here in just a bit. So y'all guys see the frame right there, front and center. So you guys know what the specs are and what the phone looks like and all that. So this is the 4th generation of the Stylo series from the LG. I'm a big fan of the Stylo series. You know what I'm saying? I do like the Stylo 4. It's a nice looking phone. The Stylo 3 is nice as well. The original Stylo was very nice. The Stylo 2, I did not like the Stylo 2 very much because it just looked ugly as fuck in my opinion. But the original Stylo, the Stylo 3, and the Stylo 4, they look nice in my opinion. The Stylo 2 does not look that great in my opinion. So this phone looks very nice, and as you guys can see, it has an 18:9 aspect ratio right there. So you guys see the front-facing camera, sensors, earpiece. Your big ass screen right there, and like I said, the 18:9 aspect ratio. Your buttons for audio right down here, and nothing at the bottom. So there's an LG logo on the bottom, on the bottom front. You have your volume buttons on the left side, power button on the right side, guys. Alright. It's available in 2 colors: metallic lavender and overall black. Alright. So if you guys can kind of tell. It might be hard to tell. It's like it has a metallic trim around the edges there, and you could have like a black trim or whatever. So yeah, it's available in 2 colors, which is pretty cool. And like I said, there's a metallic trim there. You get the black one, watch. It'll be like that. So at least Cricket's giving you an option to choose what color you want. I think that's a win. That's the back of the frame right there. The last side, like I said, you have your volume buttons, and underneath of that, guys, you guys will have your SD card and SIM card slot on the left. The battery is not removable; it's embedded in the phone, and you guys will see a little sticker on the back of the phone telling you don't remove the battery because it could void your warranty. Alright. So back of the Stylo 4, your camera flash, fingerprint sensor, Cricket logo, LG logo right there. So right there, see? It don't matter what color you choose. It just looks nice. It looks nice, man. LG did a great job with this phone. It's, you know, yeah. And you guys can get this phone on any plan you want, obviously. And Cricket accepts all this debit and credit cards and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's check out the specs on this thing. And the specs are fucking awesome on this thing. This is the powerhouse for what it is. It's a budget measuring smartphone. So yeah, it says the LG Stylo 4 packs flagship luxury and experiences into an affordable, elegant package. A big, beautiful 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display immerses you in pictures, movies, and videos. Experience premium surround sound through your headphones when gaming, listening to music, or streaming movies. High-power octa-core processing combined with 3 GB of RAM. So right here, this is the big one. 3 GB of RAM. And a lot of people will like that. The Cricket version got 2 gigs. So Cricket won up Metro's ass this year on the Stylo 4. So that's a win for Cricket Wireless customers. Because as you guys know, T-Mobile and Metro PCS, they have always gotten the Plus version of the Stylo, but this year Cricket is getting the beefer version. For now, there's the Stylo 4 rumors out there, Stylo 4 Plus rumors out there. So we will wait and see about the Stylo 4 Plus and see if anything comes with that, or if there is a Stylo 4 Plus released or whatever. So, but as of right now, Cricket won up Metro's ass with the RAM. So Cricket has 3 GB of RAM on their Stylo 4, and Metro has 2 GB of RAM on theirs. Theirs is a bit cheaper at $180 on Metro, but if you like put your number and all that good stuff, you can get the phone for $30 on Metro PCS, which is a fucking win. But Cricket, man, they have 3 gigabytes of RAM on theirs, 229. So yeah, you are gonna be paying extra for the extra gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, I think it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the big one right there. 3 gigabytes of RAM. Me and you can surf quicker, stream quicker, and multitask quicker than 3 different things that are quicker every other word. Full featured 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel cameras let you take beautiful portraits, wide angle selfies, pics and HD videos, and with up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage, there is plenty of room to keep them with you. LG Stylo 4 also helps you stay productive with its improved built-in stylus and large battery, and its sleek slim design, available in 2 eye-catching colors, make this phone stand out. LG Stylo 4 is the perfect choice for those looking for the perfect combination of larger screen visibility, premium features, and stylish design. And the Stylo 4 delivers that at an affordable price. Like I said, it's $229.99, guys, but you're paying that for the 3 gigabytes of RAM and the 32 gigabytes of storage. So this is going to be in competition with the Moto E5 Super, which got released last week. That's $179, and that also has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. The Moto E5 Super does. So this phone will not have competition with the Moto E5 Super. So we'll see which one people get. So it all depends on preferences, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So here are the specs again. Large, bright 6.2 inch Full HD plus full vision display there. 18:9 aspect ratio, fast octa-core processing power, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and 4G LTE speed. The processor is Snapdragon 450, I believe it is. Snapdragon 450. And I think the processor speed's 1.4 gigahertz octa-core Snapdragon 450 processor. You have a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera with enhanced autofocus, portrait mode, and full HD video. That's a 1. You have a wide-angle 5 megapixel front-facing camera with an auto shot for beautiful selfies. 32 gigabytes of internal memory, expandable up to 2 terabytes with a microSD card. 3300 mAh battery with battery saving mode. Enhanced integrated stylus pen with customizable settings for writing and drawing, and with 8.1 Oreo, available in 2 colors, Aurora Black and Metallic Lavender, and they both look nice in both colors, man. So this is power and beauty. LG Stylo 4 large 6.2 inch full vision 4HD plus display is packed into a sleek and thin premium metal design, and will certainly entertain those who like to stream videos, watch movies, play games, and surf the web. When listening to headphones, experience louder, richer 3D sound with DTS:X surround sound. It's fast and powerful Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor combined with 3 gigabytes of RAM, making multitasking a breeze. Up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes with an optional microSD card, 2 terabytes there. Means you have more than enough room to store everything you need, and LG Smart Cleaning keeps your Stylo 4 in tip-top shape, optimizing memory, storage, and battery usage. So yeah, this phone has great specs on it, man. Stunning photos and videos. Capture brilliant pictures with the high quality cameras on the LG Stylo 4. Never miss that special moment of the 13 megapixel rear camera with fast autofocus and full HD video. Capture beautiful portraits that can be adjusted real time or after, and blur the background so your subjects truly stand out. Fit all your friends and family in the picture with the wide-angle 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Use gesture shot, selfie light, and auto shot to quickly and easily take well-lit selfies without reaching for the screen. Alright? Productivity, safety, and fun. The LG Stylo 4 is loaded with great LG flagship features that you are used to seeing in more expensive smartphones. Knock on, and the convenient located back fingerprint sensor lets you wake up and unlock your phone quickly and securely. Remove the integrated stylus and picked from the stylus optimized apps like Pop Memo Capture Plus and the new GIF Capture to write down notes, snap expressive screenshots, and creative GIFs from videos. The stylus is extremely accurate and comfortable when writing and drawing. When reading, use the stylus and pop lens to magnify text to read it more clearly. Instantly jot down brilliant ideas with stylus while the display is off with screen off memo, and with Pen Keeper, the Stylo 4 will alert you if your phone wanders too far away, so you never leave your stylus behind. Alright, so it has all that on there. The GIF feature is pretty interesting. The magnifying glass is my favorite feature of the stylus features there. So this phone has a lot of features on it. It has improved stylus features. It also has Pen Keeper, so if your stylus is not in your phone and you wander off from it, it will let you know, hey, put the stylus back in the phone so you don't lose your stylus, because it's $10 on the LG's website. So yeah, so here are more specs obviously. And with 8.1 or yeah, the dimensions of the phone is 6.3 inches. The width of the phone is 3.06 inches. The depth of the phone is 0.33 inches. 6.2 inch full HD plus full vision display. 32 GB of internal storage. 3 GB of RAM. MicroSD cards up to 2 terabytes. It has 4G LTE, of course, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, Type-C charging. It does have Type-C. It has Quick Charge 3.0 from Qualcomm. Type-C on there. That's a win. Mobile hotspot includes Wi-Fi manager. It has 13 megapixel rear-facing camera with flash and 4K video, and 5 megapixel front-facing camera with 4K video. Alright. It has Google Maps, of course, and all that. HD voice. It has a 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450, 3300 mAh battery. It is not removable, so the battery is embedded. So don't try to take out your battery, because it will void your warranty. And there is a little sticker on the back telling you guys that. Here and there compatibility there, rate plan requirements. Reviews, there's none. Accessories. They'll be there. I don't know why it ain't showing up, but whatever. But yeah, if you guys want to get accessories for this phone, go to Amazon and type in LG Stylo 4, and you guys will get better accessories for cheaper. So yeah, there it is, guys, the LG Stylo 4 on Cricket Wireless. Is now available as of today, June 29th, for $229.99. So yeah, the Cricket version is better than the Metro version, because it has 3 GB of RAM instead of 2 gigs on the Cricket version, on the Metro version. So the Cricket Stylo 4 is better this year than the Metro PCS version. So Cricket customers will like that. The phone looks very nice. It has great features on it, great specs. Like I said, the Cricket version has 3 GB of RAM, and the Metro version has 2 GB of RAM. So yeah, there it is, guys. It's available now. It has great features on it. Yeah, great features and great phone, great looking phone, nice looking phone. It's just an awesome phone, guys. So yeah, that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.